Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. Today, we're going to uncover something that most seniors don't realise could quietly affect their health. Yes, I'm talking about oatmeal. It's long been considered heart healthy, but without the right habits, that comforting breakfast could be doing more harm than good. In fact, skipping just a few key steps when eating your oats can spike your blood sugar, slow your digestion, and even make our... Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share the 10 most common oatmeal mistakes seniors make and how to turn your morning bowl into a genuinely healthy, energizing meal.
Seniors, even eating just 70 grams of oats requires 4 essential steps to prevent your breakfast from becoming a hidden health risk. Skip any of them, and that bowl of oatmeal can spike your blood sugar like a can of soda, reduce the absorption of minerals your bones need, slow digestion leaving you feeling heavy all day, and even trigger silent inflammation that worsens arthritis. Most seniors are unaware of this danger. Oatmeal has long been promoted as a safe choice, but without the proper steps, it can have the opposite effect. One study showed that consuming fiber without enough water increased constipation risk by 40% in adults over 60. These numbers aren't theoretical. They reflect what I see in clinic after clinic. Take Ham, 71, who believed his daily oats were protecting his heart. In reality, he was making 3 of these mistakes each morning, quietly raising his cholesterol and draining his energy. Once he corrected them, his digestion improved, and his strength returned. That's why this video is urgent. We're covering the 10 oatmeal mistakes every senior must avoid. Stick around. Mistake number 3 is particularly common and shocking, turning a healing food into something that accelerates aging. References and studies are linked in the description. Check them for yourself. Before we begin, tell me, where are you watching from, and how often do oats appear in your weekly diet? Comment below. I read and reply to every single one because your experiences matter. Let's dive in, starting with mistake number 10, one nearly all seniors make without realizing the damage. Mistake no 10, adding too much sugar or honey. Number 10, adding too much sugar or honey. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is turning a heart-healthy bowl of oatmeal into a sugar-loaded meal. Plain oatmeal has a naturally low glycemic index, digesting slowly and keeping blood sugar steady. But adding brown sugar, honey, or syrup cancels those benefits almost instantly. Research from the American Diabetes Association shows that seniors who start their day with high glycemic meals like sweetened oatmeal face a 64% higher risk of blood sugar crashes later in the day. These crashes don't just leave you tired, they trigger hunger, overeating, and insulin spikes that harm the heart and brain over time. After 60, the body becomes less efficient at processing sugar. Elaine, 69, added 2 spoonfuls of honey to her oatmeal each morning. Within months, her doctor noticed rising blood sugar, and she experienced severe afternoon fatigue, needing daily naps. Too much sugar or honey doesn't just spike blood sugar, it drives inflammation, weakens immunity, and contributes to weight gain. A breakfast meant to protect the heart can become a recipe for diabetes and heart strain. Oatmeal can be your ally, but overloaded with sugar, it quickly becomes your enemy. Mistake no 9, flavoured instant packets. Number 9, using flavoured instant packets. These are convenient but one of the fastest ways to turn healthy oatmeal into a harmful breakfast. Instant oats are heavily processed, stripped of fibre, pre-cooked, and often packed with sugar, salt, and artificial flavors. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that instant oats raise blood sugar nearly twice as fast as old-fashioned or steel-cut oats. For seniors, who lose insulin sensitivity with age, this leads to fatigue, increased diabetes risk, heart issues, and memory decline. Frank, 73, relied on flavored packets to save time. Gradually, his A1C levels rose, indicating worsening blood sugar control. Instant packets also contain sodium, artificial colors, and preservatives, adding stress to aging kidneys and the heart. Skipping these packets and returning to plain oats unlocks oatmeal's full benefits. Mistake no 8, skipping protein. Number 8, not adding protein. Oatmeal is rich in fiber and complex carbs, but without protein, it isn't a complete meal. Blood sugar can still rise faster than it should, leaving you hungry within hours. For seniors, skipping protein accelerates natural muscle loss, Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults over 65 who ate 25 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast maintained more muscle mass than those eating mostly carbs. Carol, 70, ate plain oatmeal each morning. Over time, she noticed climbing stairs and carrying groceries became more difficult. Adding protein, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, eggs or nuts, turned her oatmeal into a muscle-protecting meal. Without protein, seniors risk weaker muscles, unstable blood sugar, and more cravings. Mistake No. 7. Using creamers or condensed milk. Number 7. Using creamers or condensed milk. These make oatmeal creamy, but they add sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, cancelling its benefits. Condensed milk can have 21 grams of sugar in just 2 tablespoons, nearly the entire recommended daily sugar intake. Non-dairy creamers often contain hydrogenated oils and trans fats, linked to higher cholesterol and increased heart disease risk. Norma, 74, added condensed milk daily, recalling childhood flavors. Her blood sugar climbed, weight increased, and she developed pre-diabetes. Oatmeal should support heart and overall health, not be sabotaged by sugar and trans fats disguised as creaminess. Mistake. No. 6. Overeating portions. Number 6. Overeating oatmeal. Even healthy foods can backfire in excess. A standard serving is half a cup of dry oats, which cooks to about 1 cup. Oversized portions, 2 or 3 cups, can deliver 60 to 90 grams of carbs, spiking blood sugar, causing fatigue, and contributing to weight gain. Research in diabetes care shows older adults eating large carb-heavy meals face a 37% higher risk of glucose intolerance. George, 71, ate large bowls believing more was better. Mid-morning, he felt sluggish. Cutting portions in half stabilized his energy and improved blood sugar control. Balance is key. More isn't always better. Mistake 5. Adding too much dried fruit. Dried fruits are concentrated sugar sources. A handful of raisins or cranberries can have 20 to 30 g of sugar, almost like a candy bar. Excess sugar spikes blood sugar, triggers cravings, increases inflammation, and leads to weight gain. Evelyn, 68, swapped most dried fruit for fresh slices and saw improved energy and stable blood sugar. Mistake 4. Cooking with butter or margarine. Butter and margarine add saturated and trans fats, which can clog arteries, worsen inflammation, and strain joints. Harold, 72, switched to water or unsweetened almond milk and added nuts for healthy fats. He felt lighter and more energetic, and his cholesterol improved. Healthy oatmeal should nourish, not burden, the heart, joints, or blood vessels. Oats are nutritious but not complete. Over-reliance risks missing protein, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. A 2019 study in nutrients found older adults who repeated the same foods had a 30% higher risk of deficiencies. Walter, 70, diversified his meals and regained energy. Mistake 2. Ignoring food sensitivities. Not all oats are gluten-free. Contamination in factories can trigger bloating, joint pain, fatigue, or brain fog. Dorothy, 74, improved by switching to certified gluten-free oats. Mistake 1. Not drinking enough water. Oatmeal's solu. PEE fiber needs water to work. Without it, digestion slows, causing constipation and bloating. High-fiber diets without enough hydration increase constipation risk by 40% in adults over 60. Frank, 71, improved digestion and energy simply by drinking 2 glasses of water with breakfast.